Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to get transparent background in Instagram story. Now this is quite an easy process, so just follow me till the end and you guys will get the idea on how you can add or get a transparent background for your Instagram story. Now to do this, quickly open up your application and once you're in here, click on your story. Under here, select an image which you want to make transparent. Now, once you have selected that image, click on the top right corner on the three dots. Once you have clicked on this, click on Draw. After this, select this tool right here. It's the highlight tool. Once you have selected that, select a color or pick a color from your image. Now to do this, you can select any one of these colors which are available down below, or you can just simply click on the eyedropper tool and place it wherever you want, wherever you feel like the color is appropriate. Once you have selected the color, you can go ahead and long press on the image, and after that you will see that the image has now some sort of a transparent effect. On this you can add the other image to give you a nice and cool effect. If you don't like the color, you can click on the undo button on the top left corner and select another color. So let's say I want white for this, as there are white parts in this cat. I'll long press on the image again and you will see that the color gets filled all over and we have now achieved some sort of a transparent background. Now once you are happy with the result or the color, click on the tick mark on the top right corner. Once you have done that, you can resize the image and add other elements. So let's say I want this photo again on here, and yeah, there you go. We have achieved the transparent background effect in Instagram. You can add other things like text on this and it works pretty well. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.